we're going to go over the front end in this Mondeo today, mk4. So I've already taken the strut off. As you can see, it's off. So, you've got the track at the end, 21, and the bottom ball joint, it's a 21 as well. Big lever. Got a big pinch bar, ideal, super heavy. You get the 13mm nut, it just pulls out after that. And the 17mm nut on the drop link. They're quite new anyway, just replaced them so they come off easy. They all come off easy actually, it's all new. And then after that you've got 3 bolts at the top. I take them out last because it holds the whole thing up. 1, 2 and 3 one at the back. It's actually still in there, but anyway. Get that one out. So now we'll go over to the spring compressor and compress the spring, change them over. Right, so I've already stripped it. It's the same process pretty much, putting it back together, so I'll do it. So we're going for a 30mm drop here, as you can see the difference. Spring compressors and so let's get this done. So basically I'm going to squash this in there, and I wouldn't use the air gun on this, just 21mm. That's a style, loads of different styles, but this is it for me. So basically on the Mondeo you need to line these 2 bits right down the back, so you've got that bit and down the middle. So there's a wee indent in there, you can see that. So basically it's going to sit like that when you build it back up, all in line. So let's get this squashed, compressed. I wouldn't use air tools in this. So you don't need to go right down, just enough because it's lowered anyway, so if it was the original one you'd probably squash it right down. Just make sure it's hooked right in there. Get away with that. So you do this first, taking it off, you do that, and then basically take that nut off, 18mm nut, just in there. Always put that on first. So, obviously that hooks in there. Remember, line all that right down the back, which is that way. And then on, you bugger. Right. So. You can use these to hold this. Not advisable, but I do it anyway. See it? And like. That's basically it. You do that. First of all, you clamp it. Maybe more bits of that if you need it. And then a nut, and it'll get you to the place where I showed you to. And then just release this, and it should be all hunky dory. And we'll have a 30mm drop. So, no impact driver as usual. And that's it, one complete shock. Ready to go in the car. Okay. Thanks. Right, so we've rebuilt all this up. I'll just talk you through it. The 3 bolts there. And that's it, all went good in there. Then I've done the ball joint next. Just because it holds all in line. Put it at the end. Throttle link. Connect all your ABS sensor, plug the brakes up, make sure there's no kind of kinks in the hose, that's not good, and that's it, ready to go.